These are for you.
Oh, they're beautiful. Thank you.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
Whoa, it's really coming down.
Let's get inside. This tea is so soothing.
It is perfect for a stormy day.
I could stay like this forever.
Baby, please make me those yummy pancakes. I love them.
Of course, your favorite. Careful with the stairs. What are you doing?
Just helping.
This isn't helping. You're distracting me. Look, it's perfect.
Looks yummy, just like you.
So good.
I know, right?
This is really good.
Thanks. Glad you like it.
You really outdid yourself.
I'm glad. You think you can get away?
Oh, you're on.
Not so fast.
Top story tonight, a severe weather